Absolutely cricket.
Yes, at the moment we are playing some good cricket, but that doesn't mean that we play with arrogance as a team. You know, we respect every opposition the same way, and we intend to play the same kind of cricket against everyone. That's the only way we win a game of cricket, but there are no guarantees. In this sport, anyone can upset anyone on their given day, and you know, this tournament being the top 8 teams in the world, you certainly cannot even think of taking anyone lightly. So all I can say is, as a team, we just want to focus on what we can do right and the things that are working for us. The fielding aspect, yes, I felt that, you know, maybe starting the tournament and having done so well with the bat, I think the guys wanted to bring in that extra energy, and sometimes, you know, just starting off the tournament, creating momentum as a team, you can misfield a few and you can get overexcited. There can be lapses as well, especially when the team is 7 or 8 down and you know that, you know, the game's going to get done soon. The complacency can come in. I'm not sure if it did, but that could be another factor. But we've addressed those things and, you know, asked the guys to be ruthless and finish games off, because the teams that bat deep, they can get a 60-70 run partnership even in the end if there's a lapse in the field. So in a tournament like this, I think you need to plug those holes, and as I said, we've identified that. We're going to work hard as a team today. Ashwin is, you know, a high-class bowler, everyone knows that. And he's very professional as well. He understood the dynamic of the side that we picked in the last game, and he was absolutely fine with it. You know, he just, he told me, you know, I support you, whatever you want to do, and that's always been our equation. We've had no sort of, you know, yes, we do have disagreements on bowling plans and all those sort of things, because he's a very smart guy and he has his own plans in place. All those things happen, but in this case where, you know, team selection and all these things come into play, he's very professional. He understands what the team demands, and, you know, that's a very nice thing and a beautiful thing about him, that he always puts the team first. See, Shami hasn't played you know, 50 over cricket for a long time, and I'm glad he bowled really well in the first few practice games. But I felt that, you know, Umesh, Bhuvi and Bumrah had much more match practice and the performances to back that up in the last few series that we play. A bowler like Shami will always be in your setup because, you know, we know about his abilities, and he's a sort of a guy who can win you games in any form of cricket. So yeah, he's feeling his way back into the groove, and, you know, he's certainly an asset.